Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find General Management. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the language at the top, and this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. Let me choose Greek and tap on the region. Now your device will ask you whether you want to keep current language or set new one as a default. So let's simply tap on Set as Default. As you can see, in my case, Greek language will immediately appear at the top of the list, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here, you can quickly change them just by tapping on the language and tapping on, I believe, Apply. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, the English language will appear at the top. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit, mark the language, and tap on Remove. Tap on Remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.